Hi, my name is Jess, and welcome back to From Me to You Video Photography and Book Reviews YouTube channel. So what you're about to see is me being crafty. This is footage that, compared to when you're watching this now, this clip, I have made this pumpkin, or I painted this pumpkin a few years ago, and I had this footage because I wanted to do this video for you, but things came up and I never put it together. So here it is, especially since it is fall and I love being crafty when I get the urge to be crafty. So here you go. I hope you enjoy. Comment down below if you have actually done any craft things like this. Do you see the cheap stuff in Target and then pick it up too to do random things like this like I do? I'd love to hear your thoughts, or let me know where I can see what you've put together. Like or dislike this video as you see fit, and now enjoy! Hi. Okay, let's start over. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day.